Now that our requirement is clear, let's start creating the tool. So first of all, let's create the app for image compression. All right. So I'll stop the server and I'll create an app, python manage.py start app space image underscore compression, image compression. Okay, so this is a new tool, that's why I'm creating the new app. Okay, so as soon as I create this new app, I'll have to go to awd main settings.py and register my app in this installed apps. Okay, so here I'll say image underscore compression, image compression. Okay, so once this is done, let's now create the model. So to create the model, let's actually go to this models.py and here we'll start writing the model. Let's say class compress image, it will inherit models dot model, and I'll take the user. This user is to determine who has compressed the image. Okay, so this will be models dot foreign key user comma. So this user will actually come from Django dot contrib. This is the default user model, right? So that's why it comes from Django dot contrib dot auth dot models import user. Okay, so next on delete equal to models dot cascade. Okay, and next we will take the original image. Okay, original image is equal to, you can also say original img is equal to models dot image field. Okay, models dot image field, let's upload it to original underscore images forward slash. Okay, so what this means is when you upload the image in your original image field, so it will be uploaded into media folder. Inside the media folder we'll be having the original images folder, so there it will upload the image. Okay, so that's why we are using this upload to original image. All right, and then the quality also we want to take, right? Quality is equal to, now this quality will be the choices field. Okay, so as I shown you in the previous video, it was actually a drop down, right? 10, 20, 30, 40 up to 100, right? So we want to make that drop down now. So first of all, let's say models dot integer field. Okay, integer field. So we'll have to use this choices. Okay, so choices is equal to, so what we want to do is we want to make the choices. Okay, so our choices should be like this. Okay, so a list, and with this list we will have 10 comma 10. Okay, and comma 20 comma 20, and then 30 comma 30. Okay, and then up to 100 comma 100. Okay, so we want to generate this list. Okay, and after generating this list we will set that to this choices. Okay, so you might be wondering what is this 10 comma 10, 20 comma 20. Okay, so as I said, this will be choices. When I said choices, these choices will be loaded inside the HTML select tag. Okay, so in the HTML select tag we have something called options, right? So if you want to look at that, select tag in HTML. Okay, so you can see here, this is actually a select tag, right? So this select tag will have the options. Okay, so what we are creating here is these options. Okay, these are all the options. Let me try it yourself. You can see choose a car, right? So if you open this drop down, you can see Volvo, what is this, Saab Opel, Audi, right? So these are actually the label. Okay, what you see here is the label, but if you inspect here, or if you see here as well, you can see value, right? Let me inspect it here. Okay, you can see here inside the select tag we have options. Okay, Volvo we have two times, right? So this one Volvo will be your this thing, this label, and another one Volvo is actually your value. Okay, so here also you can see. Okay, so in our case 110 we'll put here, another 10 we'll put here, like this. So that is what we are doing here. 10 comma 10, again 20 20 comma 20, 30 comma 30, so up to 100. Okay, so this 10 will be our value and this 10 will be our label. Okay, so if you don't understand this, when we load the form, I will show you where this 10 goes and where this 10 goes. Okay, so for now let's create this choices. Let's say quality underscore choices is equal to, it is just a variable. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll actually create a list comprehension. Okay, so for the list comprehension, what I need to do is I need to actually loop through the range. Okay, so I'll first print I comma I. Okay, for I in range, we want the range from 10 to 101. Okay, and we can also add the steps. Okay, the step is 10. Okay, so this 10 means if you don't add this step, what we will get is we'll get the list of 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, like that. Okay, if you add the step 10, then it will be 10, 20, 30, like that. Okay, so now you can save this. Okay, so before you save this, you should actually set this choices equal to quality choices. Okay, and the default quality will be, default is equal to, let's set it to 80. Okay, so next we have stored this original image and quality we have taken, and after we have taken this two inputs, we will store this compressed image. Okay, compressed image is equal to, it will be again models dot image field. Okay, so models dot image field upload to, this time we will upload these compressed images to compressed images folder. Okay, and then you can set the timestamp, what time this image was compressed. You can say compressed at is equal to models dot date time field auto now is equal to, auto now add is equal to true. All right, now just let's add a string representation of this model. Let's say self, and let's return self dot user name. Okay, so you see we have not installed Pillow yet. As I said, whatever image related work we do in Python, we use Pillow, right? For that reason, we should actually install Pillow. So how to install Pillow? You can go to here and let's say Python Pillow. You see this pip install Pillow, right? Copy this and make sure the virtual environment is activated. Let's paste this. Okay, so successfully installed Pillow, and at this point you can actually make migration, but before that let's add this, register this new model inside our admin.py. Let's import it from .models, import, the model name is compress image, right? Compress image, and let's admin.site.register compress image. Okay, so at this point we can actually make migration. Can run make migrations. Make migrations. Let me quickly check if everything is proper. Quality choices I comma I for I in range 10 to 101. And all right, I think everything is fine. Let's run make migrations. Okay, so create model, compress image. Let's run migrate. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so this is my old panel. Okay, so here it is, image compression, compress images. Okay, so of course we are not going to add any images from the admin panel. We are going to load this to form field, original image and quality field inside our compress images form. Okay, so we'll work further on this tool in the next one.